उठने का मन नहीं कर रहा. I don't feel like getting up yet. I don't feel like getting up yet. अलार्म बंद कर दे यार. Turn off the alarm dude. Turn off the alarm dude. आज बहुत नींद आ रही है. Feeling so sleepy today. Feeling so sleepy today. उठ जा, बहुत देर हो गई. Wake up, it's too late. Wake up, it's too late. ब्रश कर लिया क्या? Did you brush your teeth? Did you brush your teeth? चाय बना दूँ क्या? Should I make tea? Should I make tea? नाश्ते में क्या खाओगे? What will you eat for breakfast? What will you eat for breakfast? जल्दी नहा ले, देर हो रही है. Take a bath quickly, you are getting late. Take a bath quickly, you are getting late. ऑफिस जाने की तैयारी कर. Get ready for office. Get ready for office. आज सुबह बहुत सुहानी लग रही है. The morning feels so pleasant today. The morning feels so pleasant today. आज बहुत काम है ऑफिस में. There is a lot of work at office today. There is a lot of work at office today. मीटिंग कितने बजे है? What time is the meeting? What time is the meeting? यार बॉस बहुत गुस्से में है. Dude, the boss is very angry. Dude, the boss is very angry. लंच ब्रेक में बाहर चलते हैं. Let's go out during lunch break. Let's go out during lunch break. आज बहुत ज़्यादा थकान हो रही है. Feeling very exhausted today. Feeling very exhausted today. प्रोजेक्ट पूरा हुआ या नहीं? Is the project completed or not? Is the project completed or not? आज की मीटिंग बहुत बोरिंग थी. Today's meeting was very boring. Today's meeting was very boring. कल ऑफिस जल्दी जाना होगा. I have to go to the office early tomorrow. I have to go to the office early tomorrow. आज ऑफिस में मज़ा आ गया. Had a great time at the office today. Had a great time at the office today. सैलरी कब आएगी? When will the salary come? When will the salary come? आज कमरा बहुत गंदा हो गया है. The room is very messy today. The room is very messy today. जरा झाड़ू लगा देना. Please sweep the floor. Please sweep the floor. बर्तन किसकी बारी है धोने की? Whose turn is to wash the dishes? Whose turn is to wash the dishes? कपड़े धोने हैं आज. Need to wash clothes today. Need to wash clothes today. बेड साफ कर दे, बहुत गंदा हो गया. Clean the bed, it's very messy. Clean the bed, it's very messy. मैं किचन साफ कर देता हूँ. I will clean the kitchen. I will clean the kitchen. धूल बहुत जमा हो गई है. A lot of dust has accumulated. A lot of dust has accumulated. पंखे साफ करने की ज़रूरत है. The fans need to be cleaned. The fans need to be cleaned. गैस बंद कर दी ना. You turn off the gas, right? You turn off the gas, right? कूड़ा बाहर फेंक देना. Throw the trash outside. Throw the trash outside. आज बहुत ट्रैफिक है. There is a lot of traffic today. There is a lot of traffic today. रेड लाइट पर रुक जा. Stop at the red light. Stop at the red light. ओवरटेक मत कर, धीरे चला. Don't overtake, drive slowly. Don't overtake. Drive slowly. पेट्रोल खत्म होने वाला है. Petrol is about to finish. Petrol is about to finish. रास्ता बदल लेते हैं, यहाँ जाम है. Let's take another route. There is a traffic here. Let's take another route. There is a traffic here. पार्किंग मिल जाएगी क्या? Will we get parking? Will we get parking? बारिश में गाड़ी चलाना मुश्किल होता है. Driving in the rain is difficult. Driving in the rain is difficult. बस बहुत भीड़ भाड़ वाली थी. The bus was very crowded. The bus was very crowded. जल्दी निकल, देर हो रही है. Leave quickly, getting late. Leave quickly, getting late. खेल कूद कर आ गया. Have you finished playing? Have you finished playing? होमवर्क कर लिया. Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? अब मोबाइल बंद कर दो. Turn off the mobile now. Turn off the mobile now. दूध खत्म कर लो. Finish your milk. Finish your milk. रात को जल्दी सोना चाहिए. You should sleep early at night. You should sleep early at night. गिर जाओगे, धीरे खेलो. You will fall, play carefully. You will fall, play carefully. तुमने खाना अच्छे से खाया. Did you eat properly? Did you eat properly? बाहर मत भागो, धूप बहुत तेज है. Don't run outside, it's too hot. Don't run outside, it's too hot. स्कूल में क्या नया सीखा? What new did you learn at school? What new did you learn at school? पेंसिल कहाँ रख दी? Where did you keep the pencil? Where did you keep the pencil? बहुत थकान हो रही है आज. Feeling very tired today. Feeling very tired today. कल जल्दी उठना है. Need to wake up early tomorrow. Need to wake up early tomorrow. बत्ती बंद कर दो. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. मच्छर बहुत काट रहे हैं. Mosquitoes are biting a lot. Mosquitoes are biting a lot. पंखा तेज कर दो. Increase the fan speed. Increase the fan speed. रात में कुछ हल्का खाना चाहिए. We should eat something light at night. We should eat something light at night. तकिया सही कर दो. Adjust the pillow properly. Adjust the pillow properly. अच्छी नींद लो. Have a good sleep. Have a good sleep. जल्दी सो जाओ, देर हो गई है. Sleep early, it's too late. Sleep early, it's too late. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.